What's up, guys? So everything you're gonna see here is pretty old, about 2 months old. I've been going through some stuff and I wasn't able to upload anything, drive the car, anything like that. But everything's good now and we're back able to make videos and do stuff. So after racing the Benz, last video I was racing the Mercedes-Benz. The next couple of days I was driving around and my cables burnt. They were touching my downpipe the whole entire time since I had the car driving, built, or done, whatever you want to call it. They've been touching my downpipe, so they finally burnt out, and then got those switched out with hybrid cables, what I'll show you in the video. And yeah, we'll just go from there. And I'm gonna let this video play out. Everything is old. It's about 2 months old. And at the end of the video, I'm racing a Mustang on the app, and during that I was having some issues with the car still. We'll get into that, but I was still having some issues, but I still lost no matter what. I'm gonna try to race them again, but yeah, I took that loss. It was an all motor Mustang, pretty fast. But yeah, I'm gonna let this clip play out and then we'll be back, guys. What's up, guys? We're here with the RSX. I'm about to head to my buddy Manny's house to go check out his car. He's building his little Honda. Yeah, so we're gonna take a ride over there and check it out. Got the car warming up right now, so we'll be on our way heading there. Got the little Bluetooth on the Honda, on the K-Pro V4. I don't know why it's not looking like that, but yeah. Got the wideband, my oil, and the boost gauge, little radio. So yeah, guys, I'm on my way there. So next time we on the video, I'll be there and we'll be showing off the Honda. Alright, guys, I'm here at my boy's house. I'm gonna show you the car real quick. This is Honda he's doing. VTEC motor. It's almost complete. It's got the intercooler on. Ram horns. VTEC. It's on 93 gas right now. It's a little coupe. Show you the inside real quick. So yeah, support. Sides. The rest of the back is gutted. Can't really see it.
Get a video of that.
From the turbo out.
It's fake. It's eBay.
It's eBay. But yeah, this car should be coming out soon. Be out with us, riding.
My little baby, man. You know what I'm saying? Now give me a little bottle to feed it. Bro, look, come here, bro. Look at this shit.
We got the RSX. Just some
look at
parts.
the difference between that and this, bro.
It's an old turbo.
It's a little bit.
I don't know if you can see that damn thing.
Came back T4 V-band. Little something, bro. Have some fun. Rated for 800 horsepower. Let's see what's up. Gas is going on this weekend.
Alright, guys, so we're here at the meet. Hopefully we're gonna it doesn't rain anymore. There was some sprinkles that dropped, but hopefully it doesn't rain anymore and we can get a couple runs in on the app. Remember, everything you see is fake. This isn't real street racing at all. It's all on the app. It's all just controlled. So yeah, see you guys later. Alright, so what's done to the car?
It's 2016 5.0, full buttons, Cobra Yet, big some liters, some water reduction, on the 85. It makes about 460 and 385 torque.
Alright, guys,
Where's that 300?
So this is the car. I don't know if you can see his tire. What is it? It's another Mustang. It's a 5.0. Got the Honda out here, the Acura RSX. Okay guys, so now we're at the end of the video. Like I said, I had some issues with the Mustang race, but whatever, I lost. After that, right, so a week after that, I'm driving the car around, whatever, with my buddy, just riding around with him, showing him the car, doing pulls, first gear, second gear, third gear, and I go drop him off at his house, go to make a U-turn, goes into first, I try to go into second, wouldn't go into second gear at all. So it would grind real nasty. So I took the car to my buddy. He tells me, he opens up a little the case, and we can see second gear is grinded. So second gear, I broke second gear. Second gear is done. I have no boost controller, so it's 470 all the boosts, whatever boost I'm running in all the gears. Like there's no boost controller on the car. It's all of it. So that happened. So I'm gonna be inserting some pictures right now of the transmission. The shaft broke. The shaft didn't break, but second gear is on the shaft, the main shaft, and so I had to replace that. So what I did is got gear X, first through fourth, and that's what we put in the car. Stock fifth and sixth gear still, and what else is it? Stock diff. There's no LSD, still stock. Yeah, just first through fourth is all, excuse me, new. The car is running now, perfect, everything's good. We'll be back to racing it and everything like that. Everything's good with the car, drives perfect, smooth. The only thing that sucks right now is it's been raining for like a week straight. There's barely no brakes in it. It's just been constantly raining. The floor's been wet all the time, so it's real hard to get pulls in and all that stuff. My buddy's car, the white car, since this video is so old, the film I'm uploading is so old, his car's done already. He was limited to power because he has a, I think stage 5 clutch or stage 4 clutch, and his tires are bald. So he couldn't really turn it up in the dyno because it wasn't grabbing, the clutch wasn't grabbing, the tires weren't grabbing. But yeah, so everything's back good now. The car's done. So I'll be back to making more videos here. I got a drone, so we'll be able to use the drone. Hopefully, I can't fly it where I'm at because I stay too close to the airport, and when Trump comes, they don't let you fly any drones close enough. So yeah, so yeah, so we're gonna go from there. everything's good now. I should be back to uploading videos. I'm gonna try to make it to a car meet if the rain stopped. It stopped right now, but as long as it doesn't rain anymore, we'll be good. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna rain. So next video, I don't know. Next video should hopefully be tonight or tomorrow, as long as it doesn't rain. But it's supposed to be raining all week long. Like today's Thursday, and it's supposed to rain till Monday. So we'll see, guys. The car was down for a while. It sucked not driving it. I had to save up some money for the Gear X because it's not cheap, and didn't really have the money to waste. So I had to save money for that. So that's why it took so long. And I had other things going on as well. So yeah, guys, we'll be back. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna put my buddy Manny's, the page where he got Dyno Genesis. Their Instagram page will be on there. Eddie Tune the Car at Genesis, and his page will be on there, and my Instagram page will be on there as well at the end. So give us a follow. Give Manny a follow on Instagram. I'll put his on here, and more videos to come, guys.